Hey guys, a video on COREWEAVE. Looking at this price action here, could this have been a 1-2 setup already, or is this a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 now then a 1-2 setup? It's really the micro, doesn't matter too much. I think I could pull some fibs just in case from this low to this high as a potential support box 103, 101, 99. Okay, and then obviously this range from Friday here. But I would focus more on this point of control here where we are at now, 106.77. Try to get above it, hold above it, and then focus on this one, the more important one from this range. And it has been tested here so many times along the way. We want to get above that at 118, and then focus on higher prices. Nasdaq inclusion is next week Monday. Whoa, I can't speak. That will be big. I'm curious what the stock will do then. And yeah, if now this week it might like push to these highs, then next week we could really get the breakout with that inclusion. Okay, so I'm really hyped and curious to see what it's gonna do. But it's been really slowing down for the last 2 months now. I think it's time for us to move. Okay, looks very good here in my opinion, very corrective here locally. Showed strength where it had to previous week, and yeah, now let's see if we can continue. Sorry, my English is really bad. Think I'm trying to speak too fast as well. ORCL, still this structure here to the upside in my opinion is a bit tricky to label as a 5-wave move. Labels better as a 3-wave move, which then puts caution on my mind, and we need to potentially be prepared for one more leg to the downside here. I might be wrong about this one just because, yeah, if the war is really finished, if the Strait is really opening, and if the whole market is carrying on with the push, and we get a melt up, then I don't know, this one might follow. That's why I'm also aware of that, and for that scenario we need to look at this point of controls in my opinion. If we can get back above this one at 193.44, that's already one good thing. And then the next one here from this range here will be at 220.23. If you can do that and hold them, that's a sign of strength. Okay, additionally then I'm gonna add a fib box here, or just like the 886, to indicate that, look, if we want a C wave to the downside here, we want a 5-wave move to the downside. In a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your wave 2 should not hit the 886. So this is, I think, the best indication. If price now can push higher and hit 241, then okay, to me the probabilities to do this C wave decrease by a lot. And then yeah, if also the market shows continued strength, we will have to relook at this and try to identify what this exactly is, to then try and work our way more directly to the upside. For now, we are also holding the golden ratio, the 618, taken from this low to this high, so it's in between. I don't like this, puts doubt on my mind once again. But looking at the broader market, we should not disclose that this is potentially still a attempt to move more directly to the upside. So we take it step by step. I follow this one closely, and we'll see if the chart gives more clarity tomorrow or later this week. Okay, with more data coming. Now, NVIDIA breaking to the upside here from the wedge, avoiding this 886, or maybe avoiding it slightly. So here still I'm tracking this as a 1-2-1-2, or it's gonna be a single 1-2, but that's the backup scenario that we had. For now, not relevant, so I'll remove this. And here then, we want to continue and also try to get above this point of control at 222, the all-time high range, hold above it, and then ultimately we want to get a push. And if I see that the push is finally happening, I'll add a target box here to the upside. NVIDIA will also do a buyback of their own stock, so that will boost the price higher as well. But for now, not really getting confirmation yet. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.